What a crazy day. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, the 16th of July. And my goodness gracious, look what these markets have done. They have totally reversed from earlier and are now getting hammered from where they were. And certainly, as we look and search, we look for opportunities, and of course, we will find some, and we'll go through it all. But in the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at Capital Trading Group, CTG. They are our preferred broker of choice. We have many brokers, but for our letter of direction trading, they're the only ones we've authorized, and we want to make sure you obviously have your own choice, and you don't have to go anywhere you don't want to go. We want you to be happy wherever you go, but I prefer CTG. They trade all of my accounts. As I said, they're the only ones authorized. They have, for our letter of direction, they have all of some new great managed futures products. So why not check them out? Go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, equities, Dow down 125 after being up over 100. NASDAQ down 28 after being up almost 80. S&P down 13 after being up 13, and the Russell down 85. The only good news is we are short the Russell, which was almost 200 higher. Now it's down, it's lower. But in the meantime, like I said, ugly. In the metals, we did not reverse gold or silver, and they are both lower, which makes sense. Again, the trend is still down, and that has not changed, and we will not force it to change. And platinum's getting hammered today as well. We don't trade it anymore because it's not liquid enough. The dollar is higher, and we are long. Okay, the crude is getting smashed after being higher on the day. Down about $1.16. I think we'll probably get a reversal here in crude after this. The last few days, it's still well above where it was, but again, this has been, pretty much of a beatdown. Copper is slightly lower, and we're short. Nat gas is higher, and we're long. The bonds and notes, down a little bit. Nothing from nothing, but still down a bit. But they were down almost a point, and they've come down to cut those losses significantly. Okay. And in the grain markets, up across the board, corn, wheat, and beans, all higher. Wheat's been really powerful, up about 20 cents right now. Maybe they put a bottom in. Now we're so short across the board, but certainly that could change. Again, we could change. We are not stubborn or married to any position. We could always change our direction if the algorithms tell us to do so. Okay, cattle, feeder cattle is slightly lower, and we are long. Fat cattle is slightly higher, and we're short. And hogs are nothing from nothing. And we are actually, let me just check one thing real quick, because I've got the wrong hogs up here on my screen, so I want to just give you a better view, because I am giving you the wrong months. Okay, so I want to make sure we have the right information. Okay, and December hogs are up a little bit. Okay, we should be in October. Yeah, I'm sorry to stammer and stutter here, but I don't type very good. And October hogs are 90, and that's up a little bit. Okay. In the softs, you've got cotton is higher and we're long. Coffee is higher and we're long. We reversed this morning. Sugar higher, long. Cocoa is lower and we're short. And OJ is flat and we are long. So overall, it's a mixed picture, a mixed bag. Okay, but we won't be like Tyrell Hatton and break our golf club because we hit a bad shot at the Open. Okay, and snap a club. I've done that before, but we won't be doing that. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner. And again, we do have many brokers. I always want you to be full disclosure that you can go anywhere you want. We have no interest in where you go. We're just pointing out who we believe the best is for what we do. And that is Tradier. And Tradier is, first of all, $10 a month. That's the only thing I really should have to say. But we also have their APIs, which allows us to automate your trading in our portfolio models at no cost to you. Okay. In our hedging, there's a fee because the hedging is a class, not a membership. But either way, you can automate your trade for no cost on my side or on traders' side in the equity model, and on our side if you want to use the hedging part. But you have to do it through Trader because that's the only one we have right now. But certainly we are, more than happy to help you and facilitate that for you. And of course, our great partners at Family Farms, who along with us are just trying to help farmers do a better job taking care of their capital as they take care of the farm. And I'll be speaking there a week from Tuesday. I think it's the 27th or 28th, whatever the date is. And of course, the commodity report written by Andy Heck. If you're trading commodities and not reading technical, shame on you. Go see a doctor because you're missing the best report ever written in the commodity space from a person who has actually traded commodities, both physical and off the board. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. It's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, if you're a golf fan, have a great weekend and enjoy the Open as it's on in the middle of the night. And, let's just see what happens today. It's wild, it's thin, and they're moving. So we'll see how they end up for the day. In the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. As always, I thank you, and we'll see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line, and of course, another daily update on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you later.